Hello learners, myself Surbhi Karapurkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Ganpat Parsekar College of Education. The title of the course which we are learning is Exploring Ethnomedicinal Heritage in Villages of Goa. In today's class, we'll discuss about plant description and medicinal uses of Catharanthus roseus, Ficus racemose, Kalanchoe pinnata, Ocimum tenuiflorum and Syzygium cumini. Our first plant is Catharanthus roseus, family Apocynaceae. Common name Periwinkle. In Konkani, we call it Sadafuli. It is a sub-herb or a shrub. In various parts of Goa, this plant is widely used because of its medicinal significance. It helps to treat insect stings, for which one has to prepare paste of fresh leaves without adding water and apply it to the affected area with the help of thin cloth. It also helps to heal wounds. In this case, one should take sun-dried leaves and boil it in water, and the extract should be used to heal wounds. Fresh leaves can be boiled in unrefined oil and used as an effective ointment for treating wounds and cuts. A tablespoon of fresh leaves extract, if taken daily, then it helps in cure of cancers such as a blood cancer. A teaspoon of decoction of fresh leaves with honey helps in cure of digestive problems. Next plant is Ficus racemose, family Moraceae. It is commonly known as cluster fig. Its Konkani name is Rumod. It is a tree by habit. When it comes to medicinal uses, it helps to cure dental problems, for which one should gargle with extract of tree bark. It helps in cure of bleeding gums and mouth ulcers. Extract of unripe fruit and leaves helps in boosting appetite, eliminates parasitic worms, and gives relief from flatulence. Application of milky latex oozing from the tree helps in cure of various types of skin diseases, piles, and inflammations. Root juice helps in cure of diarrhea and dysentery. Powdered stem bark taken with cow's milk helps in enhancing milk secretion of lactating mothers, but should be taken with consultation of Vaidya. Poultice of stem bark and latex is used to cure bone fractures. Next plant is Kalanchoe pinnata, belonging to family Trasuliaceae. Its common name is life plant. In Konkani, we call it panfuti or komachepang. It is a succulent by habit. When it comes to medicinal uses, the leaves of Kalanchoe pinnata have a variety of uses in traditional system of medicine in India. Juice of its leaves helps in cure of diarrhea and vomiting. Juice of the leaves, when taken daily, helps to cure kidney stone problem. Decoction of fresh leaves helps to control sugar level of diabetic patient. Fresh juice taken orally helps in cure of respiratory tract infections. Poultice of fresh leaves helps to cure wounds, boils, and gives relief from insect bites. Our next plant is Ocimum tenuiflorum, belonging to family Lamiaceae. Its common name is holy basil. In Konkani, we call it tulsi. It is a shrub. Medicinal uses: tulsi extract or infusion, tulsi leaf extract or infusion of fresh inflorescence with honey when taken regularly helps in cure of cough, cold, fever and asthma problems. Using a mouthwash containing 4% holy basil leaf extract twice a day reduces phlegm. It also gives a refreshing feeling in the mouth. To treat stomach ulcers, tincture of leaves is used. Tulsi leaf extract helps in decreasing blood sugar level of diabetic patients. Having tulsi leaf extract twice a day after meals reduces anxiety, stress and depression. For treatment of diarrhea, nausea and vomiting, decoction of whole small plant is consumed. The last plant is Syzygium cumini. It belongs to family Myrtaceae and commonly we call it black plum. In Konkani, the plant is known as Zamra chepna. Habit in Konkani, we call it Zamra. Its habit is that it is an evergreen tropical tree. Medicinal uses. Infusion of leaves taken regularly helps in removal of kidney stones. To treat gout, one should boil bark of jamun in water and consume. Leaf juice with honey taken 3 times a day helps in cure of diarrhea. For treatment of mouth ulcers and spongy gums, decoction of jamun is used. Powder of dried seeds or dried bark in warm water helps in maintaining sugar level of diabetic patients. Leaves infusion prepared using water and mixed with honey is said to cure female infertility problem. For cough and cold, fruit juice with jaggery plus ginger powder should be consumed. These are my references. Thank you.